Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my gas stove child safety knob covers. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. The knob covers are universal size and fits most stoves. It will still be a good idea to measure your stove knobs before purchasing to make sure it fits well with your existing stove. This package comes with the instructions. We have the double-sided stickers and also 5 transparent covers for the stove knobs. It is also heat resistant up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a really nice feature. The clear color is also a nice touch, so I can still see the settings when I am using the stove. There are 2 areas that need to be opened before using these knob covers. For the first one, you will open it by pressing on both sides of the spring right here. This unlatches the top lid of the knob covers. For the other one, you will need to press the plastic part on both sides in. I found that the easiest way to do this is by using some kind of stick. In this case, I use the chopstick to press it down a little bit, which will release it from the latch and open the back part of the knob cover. Once the knobs are open, we can then take it to the stove and position the back part of the cover around the knob on the stove. And then we snap the latches in to connect. Once that is connected, we can then close the front cover and the stove knobs are now protected from kids or pets accidentally turning the stove on. The set also comes with some double-sided tape that we can use to secure the covers in place so it doesn't wobble around. To install the double-sided tape, we will first peel it off of the paper and then place it on the back of the knob cover, making sure it follows the half-circle curve. We will then take another piece of tape and do the same for the other half of the knob cover. Once in place, make sure to peel off the top layer, which exposes the sticky part of the tape. And then we will position the back of the cover around the stove knob. As we did earlier, we will latch them together and then press onto the stove to secure the knob cover in place. Notice the difference when using the tape versus not using the tape. With the tape, it keeps the knob covers in place and it doesn't move around. Overall, these knob covers turned out quite well. It was fairly easy to install and definitely worth the extra time it takes to install for the safety of my household. If you are looking for a way to child-proof the stove knobs, either for yourself or to give as a gift for baby showers or to other parents of children or pets, be sure to take a look at this.